Maldives, you cannot overstate the importance of the marine environment. It is truly a marine nation, and the health of the coral reefs is intrinsically tied to the well-being of the nation.
Name 3 guidelines from the Green Fin's Code of Conduct.
So the purpose of this festival is to celebrate marine wildlife, celebrate natural resources, celebrate our marine environment. And it falls under a project which is called Project Regenerate, which is a collaborative project between the government of Maldives, IUCN and USAID. And the overall project is being led by the Ministry of Environmental
මියදුගේ ජුවානුන්නාය ස්කූල් කුදින්නකි මාදමාගේ ලීඩරු මියදුගේ ෆෙස්ටිවල්ගේ උපාවැරි මාහවුල්ගා බෑරිවා එම්මෙහා ෆරැත්තක ගින මවුලුම්මත්ත ලිබගෙන් දානකම අරුගුන් උම්මීත්
down there, and we obviously know that it's travelled that distance, and then we can try to understand why it's been travelling, why it's moving around, and things like plankton availability, like we were talking about here. So the plankton, they get drifted around on the currents because they're so tiny, they can't move around on their own. So the monsoons that we've got here in the Maldives,
and it is an occasion where we bring together members of the local community to celebrate our marine environment. We bring together children from 7 different island schools in the atoll.
Which month and year did the turtle protection law come into effect for the first time?
1995. Very good.
Yes. How many species of marine turtles can be found in the Maldives? Okay, that was like 5 of them at the same time.
So part of the waste management challenge is to collect waste from around the island and separate it into different types of waste: metal, plastic, biodegradable. Each of these types of waste can then be reused and can actually have a value in terms of either recycling or composting. The importance of managing waste is twofold. One, it's important to have a clean beach and not to have a beach that's full of rubbish, which can then be pleasant for tourists and also pleasant for the people who are living there. And the second is to stop the rubbish and the trash from entering the ocean, where it can then enter the food cycle and can actually become toxic to people who eat the fish.
On behalf of the U.S. government, I would particularly like to share our sincere appreciation with our government counterparts, including the Honorable Minister who joined us today, and the many other ministries, including Environmental Protection Agency, the Ministry of Environment and Energy, the Fisheries Department, and many more, as well as our local counterparts, our IUCN staff, and the many communities and islands represented here today.
Lugar